teardown barn. Summers just brought his in. He's #1 qualifier. Yeah, it's a little hectic here. All right, this super stock is being pumped, modified. It's a short video. I don't even know if they want me here or not, but we'll do it anyway. As you can see in the background, Don Carson's engine's out of the car. Bobby Brandon's Camaro. Mandela's Chevelle. Randy Lynn with Jason Lyons talking to a tech official. I guess that's it, guys. More super stockers coming in with their carpets being checked. Alright, we got more cars coming in. Super stockers are just filling everything up. Brad one class, so every class winner is getting their car pulled off. And it just gets more and more, and there's just people everywhere.